And another thing I did last year, I um I woke up spiritually, bro, and that's why that was the main reason I wanted to get you on this interview because I ain't even know you was on that tip.
Nah,
But
bro,
bro,
you know me.
but
Like, I ain't on that spiritual level. I just take things from that spiritual thing, like things like semen retention
yeah,
and eating better and actually working on yourself instead of worrying about others. Like, I've been socially distancing for years, bro, and it's just like people don't understand it. Like, my dad was thankful that he's like, you're a trend setter. You are not a follower. I'm glad you never were like that. It just came out naturally for me. I don't like. I'm very
yeah,
introverted. Like, literally, I
yeah. That's one thing. Yeah,
walked into class. I always had my headphones in or I have my hood over. Like, I'm in myself. Like, I'm by myself in everything that I do and everything I try to learn morally, whatever it is in the classroom, whatever it is. Like, is me.
all fast, bro, all fast. And yeah, yeah, that's true, bro. Because I could tell, like, I mean, I know by your style, bro. Like, you ain't that set. I mean, you set trend accidentally. Cause I do the same thing sometimes, bro. Like, if it's with bro, for example, this freshman year, freshman or sophomore year, I was always like this. I was always introvert, quiet, bro. And I tried to be goofy, I tried to be cool with everybody, try to be goofy. This freshman sophomore year, I'm like, man, this goofy. This don't really, and it ain't clicked to like really till I graduated. And I'm like, bro, this ain't really for me. I'm finna stay back to myself, really chill on myself, really just start working out. But for example, I think freshman year, I had these, everybody in our crew, quotation marks, had everybody had white Air Force One low tops. Everybody
Mm-hmm.
this freshman year, and they Deron, make sure you get some ones, some all white Air Force Ones, get some for finish line. We're gonna take a picture in them. We're gonna take a picture and all that. It's like 10 people. They all got the same shoes, Air Force Ones, and I'm like, yeah, okay, whatever, yeah, I'm going with it. I get the finish line. I see the ones,
Mm-hmm.
right? I see the ones, and I'm like, I don't even want these shoes. I don't know what got it to me, but I was like, I don't even want these shoes. And you know me, bro. You know I love
Exactly.
ones, but I, right, I love ones, but I looked at them shoes. I'm like, I don't even want them for the simple fact that everybody already got them.
Facts.
literally, literally, everybody in the school got the same shoes on. All the dudes got on white Air Force Ones. All the white girls got on Vans or Adidas. All the black girls got on J's. It's That's all they wear. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm looking. I see some. I back then I ain't know nothing about shoes. I ain't know nothing about Jordan. I ain't know nothing about like retro Jordans, regular Jordan, flight Jordan, fake Jordans. I ain't know nothing about none of that. All I knew is I wanted to get some shoes. I seen these white and gray flight Jordans, bro. Flight Jordans. I kid you not. I'm looking at them. Hold on, these cold. I ain't never seen nobody with them because they not retros. So I asked him like, y'all got my size? Yeah, I got you. I put them on. Yeah, these cold. I'm getting these. And they was a lot. The only thing I'm mad about that I got about them, it was too much, and they ended up going cheaper. They cheated me out. They ended up getting cheaper later on, but that's beside the point.
Oh, bro.
I get them. I get them the next day. Everybody, Duran, what happened? Why you got on them fake Jordans? What happened to the ones? You ain't gonna wear the ones? Nah, bro. I like these shoes, so I got them. You feel me?
Exactly.
They all okay. They all okay, okay. And I kid you not. Later on that year, bro, I'm wearing the shoes. I'm wearing them with pride too. I'm talking about everybody used to be like, oh, them, they used to be roasting me and everything. Like, oh, your shoes fake, them not retros or nothing. I'm like, I ain't know nothing about retros. Shoot, I like the shoes, so I got them. You
Exactly.
feel me? I'm walking down the hallway. I'm walking down the hallway. Some dude was like, oh, where you get them shoes from? Some white kid. I got to even finish mine, bro. I'm talking about a few months later, he had the same shoes
Exactly,
on. I
bro.
kid you not. I'm like, you cold for that? You cold for that one? But the
Said
thing
it.
is, and then somebody, and then another dude came up to me, a black dude. Where you get them shoes? Nice. And I'm talking about, To this day, I still get compliments. I still got the shoes to this day. I'm about to actually customize them. I'm about to do a little customization on them to wear them again.
That's what's up.
But I still get shoes to the day. To this day, I still get compliments on the shoes and everything. 3-4 years later, when I wear them shoes, and that's just a simple example of like, bro, just do what you want to do, bro. Don't do every like. I never understood that. Even when I was like following people, I always had my own. I still have my own way. I tried to follow people, I blend in, but I still have my own way. When I want to chill by myself, I ain't gotta hang out with nobody. You know what I'm saying? So that's a little rant.
Bro, because you know me, you know how I was coming, like, when y'all saw me, like, how I was dressed and things like that, like, I used to get flamed, like, every day, but you already know who, and I didn't care, bro. I literally told him, I
hmm
don't care. This is my lifestyle. This is how I do things. Like, he tried to get on me for, like,
Right.
because I had Jordan 21s on. I had Jordans that weren't worn by Jordan. Like, I love Jordans that weren't worn by Jordan even more because you can make them yours, for real. Like,
Facts.
it's simple as that. They got more advanced in the technology, like being able to hoop in them, things like that matter. But I'm off of that. I don't care about Michael Jordan. Like, I still love Jordans, but I sold almost all of mine. And I switched them up for Air Force Ones because that's where I started my collection in general. Because I love Air Force Ones, and
Dang.
since I've been born, I've never owned a regular pair of all white or all blacks ever. Yes,
Like of ones.
never.
I own. I got. Let me think. I mean, as a kid, I got a pair of I don't think I now think about it. I don't think I ever had a low top. I don't think I ever had low top
Like
ones.
low or high
Not all
top,
white at
like low
least.
or high top. Never owned a pair of all white or all black. And if they are all white or all black, they like a premium. They like a collaboration.
I did.
All that.
I don't know if you seen them shoes. I was customizing the ones. Those are all white. I wore them a couple times, and then I'm still working on those. I'm gonna wait till my paint come to finish them. They like blue and
Hmm.
black. I think as a kid, like a small, like it's probably like third grade, I probably had some ones, some mids though, not no low tops.
Ooh,
But I never, yeah. And I think about it, I never had like, nah, I never had all white ones. Besides those ones I'm customizing, and I don't really count that because I customize them.
exactly.
So nah, I never had no all white ones. Not low top at least.
Plus, like, I don't see the point because if I get a pair of all white regulars, like ones out the store, and I know like limited release or nothing, if I get those, dude, I do the three and then throw away. Like if I wear all white ones, I do the three and throw away. Like I wear them three times and then I throw them away. Cause, bro, if I see a
Yeah,
crease
you
in them,
can't.
bro,
Yeah.
it's gone, bro. And you know how I walk in my Air Force Ones. I walk like I pulled both of my calves and stuff, like for real. I wear a size and a half down, and I walk
uh,
like, and I still like walk weird so that I don't ever crease them, and it works.
oh, somebody put me your game about
What
how not to
my
crease them.
insoles?
I'm at yeah with one somebody had put me on game with him. So I'm at work. Some dude came in with some ones. He talking about, yeah, I had these for a while. They ain't never creased it. What you do? He took his shoe off, pulled out. You know the shoe tree that go in the shoes,
Yeah.
the cardboard. The
What?
man's had them in the shoes.
Ooh,
I kid you not.
bro, that's
I kid you not.
uncomfortable, bro.
No, bro. No, they not, bro. Cause I tried it out. I tried it out. So you cut. So what I did was, you know how it's like a triangle. I cut the back part off, and then I put it in my shoe, and I put them on. I had them at work. I had them at work for like probably like 5 6 hours. They was not uncomfortable at all. I'm like, dang, these really not uncomfortable.
Wow.
And I'm like, but that man genius for that. I shouldn't even have said it. I should make a I should have patented it, bro.
Bro, that's smart.
Bro, I should have patented.
Oh my.
Hey, man's genius for that. He talking about. Cause he was like, yeah, I had the store bought ones, like the store bought shoe trees in the toe, and they ain't really work that good. So I figured it out. I put the cardboard in there, and they more comfortable. I'm like, dang. I definitely did the same thing with him though.
for
Oh, bro,
for real. But
he
like
cold
I
for
put
that.
people on to instead of using force fields because force fields are a waste of money. They uncomfortable and they still crease
Yeah, that's
bad
what he
though.
had first.
Like unless you make it like yourself, like y'all did. Like I tell people just to get either go a full size down or like a size and a half down. If you don't feel like doing that, then just get another pair of insoles and put them in, and your foot will rise. Because the Air Force Ones, like the depth on them is like pretty deep. Like
Oh, that genius.
exactly, like
Yeah, that's genius. I ain't thinking about
for real.
that. Yeah. So yeah, so for me, I wear 13, so I get like a
Ex-
12. Cause 11 and a half, that my foot right on the toe. So I get a 12,
yeah,
and then I'll put like another insole in there. Yeah, that's smart, bro. I ain't think about that.
for real. Like
Cause like yeah, like the shoe, yeah, the toe is high. So that's why I be creasing, cause the toe's so high.
exactly.
Like that little part, it's a lot of space in that too.
Yeah, because I'm a 12,
Yeah,
11
that's
and a
smart.
half, but all my Air Force Ones, I always get 10 and a half or 11. And they don't hurt. It
Dang.
doesn't hurt, bro. It actually feels better, like because it feels snug and it feels like I don't have so much room in my shoe. Because I don't like when I have too much room in my shoe where I can move my foot around and all that.
Mm. I just figured that out about Air Force One sizes. I got all these ones. They're size
Oh,
13, but they all high top. They all high and mid, so they ain't really like, you know what I'm
mm-hmm.
saying? But when I got the lows, the black and red lows I got, yeah, then I noticed like, yeah, these kind of big.
For real,
That's tough. That is tough though. But it is what it is. We
exactly.
all
And
learn,
they
bro.
look, you